I'll keep going. Oh. Hello everyone, Lorenzo here from RVT. So in this video, we're gonna be focusing on hive number 2 and number 3. We already looked at hive number 1 last video. Actually, last 2 videos. If you remember from last time, I got some a couple of frames that I pulled from the hive number 1, and I've been storing for like a month, over a month now, probably 2 months. And I put them in here about a couple weeks ago. So today we're gonna be checking to see how they're doing, how much they have taken from those 2 frames, to see if they saving some or they're eating the whole thing or what. But they both seem to be active. You know, not a lot of not a lot of bees flying like hive number 1, but they're still hanging out over here. I don't know if they're depending on me now on feeding them or what, but but anyways, we're gonna check on these 2 hives real quick, and we see how they're doing. All right, we're gonna go ahead and open it up. For those of you that don't know, I mean, my immediate family, they know already, but I have a second channel. It's just focused on bees, but it's just in Spanish. So if you're interested if you speak Spanish, if you're interested of following me on that channel, I really appreciate it. And I'm gonna list that right here on the bottom, and I'm also going to post it down on the description below. A lot of people don't know how to check the description down there, but sometimes it just says a little bit. You just have to click more. If you cannot see it there, just click more down there, and then you gotta be able to see everything else that I have there, my website and everything else. A lot of people don't know that though, for some reason, but in case if you don't know, that's how you check it. All right. So I pulled that feeder because I put that frame on there. I didn't put it back, and the reason I didn't put it back is because I wanted to check to see if they even take the honey. You know, I'm just trying to experiment to see what they're doing. I mean, I'm still probably gonna have to feed them. So we'll see. Go ahead and open it up. Let me see if probably get you closer here to the action. There you go. It put a lot of propolis here for sure. Oh, man. I didn't want to squish the bee that was out there. All right. So this is the one that was already there. The honey, I put it in this is actually on this frame. This frame right here has been empty. It's still empty. What I'm gonna do later on, because right now it's starting to get cold. You know, not that cold, but then we got like on the 50s earlier this week, which is not normal for this area. I'm in North Texas, and usually here in North Texas, we usually have like 40s already during this time of year. And this year it's been dry. It's been kind of weird this year. So maybe because of the hurricanes and all stuff, it's just messing up with the weather over here. I'm not sure, but I'm not a weather expert or anything like that. But let's see here. Looks like it looks like I have more bees than last time. That's good. I need to start. Oh my God. So stuck. Yeah, this still, oh my God, this still looks nice. Looks like they only took a little bit from the top, but it's covered in bees now. Almost the whole frame is covered with bees. As you can see right here. So you check that out. That's all the honey from hive number 1. And it's been a couple weeks now. Here it is. The other side. Yeah, take it out again so you can see it. There you go. Almost full of honey. It looks like they did take some of it, but here's the other one on the other side. And now this is the artificial comb. I think I got it from I forgot where I got it from. I think it was Better Bee, or no, not Better Bee. It might have been Better Bee. I don't know. But this was in desperation of when I got the from when I got the packages. Oh yeah, they have honey on this one too. They have honey. They have brood. It looks like they're just concentrating on a small area right here. So got some brood in there. You can see the honey up there, and you can see some glistening nectar. So they're still doing good. Okay. This one has some honey on top of it too. This is the first frame. I don't see any hive beetles at all. I don't know if it's because this hive is more like on the sun, but they're doing awesome. Look at that. Look at that queen right there. It's like packed with bees. See the queen right there? Green marking on the back. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I'll put her back. I think they're gonna be doing great for the winter. We're in the middle of October. See these girls over here on this other side. It's packed on the wall. In that area. They're so calm. I like that. I like how they're doing. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and put them back. Looks like some bee lost her load. Looks like the box is like warping in, because it's kind of hard to I don't know. I'm gonna put a frame right here, empty frame with nothing on it. I'm gonna put a frame right here in the middle, because I don't know. Maybe the weather is, since I don't have frames over here. It looks like the hive is like warping in like that. So good thing I have some extra ones here. Hold on, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm gonna put this empty frame right here. You see how, well, this one fits just right. What the heck? I don't know what's going on, but I'm gonna put him back. Alright, there we go. I just left that frame there. It's kind of, I don't know. This one fits, yes. This one fits right. I don't know. Oh, you know what? It might be the propolis. Maybe there's propolis on the frames right here, or what? But well, it's kind of tight. Well, it's crooked too. So, but when you put it right, it fits just right. So I don't know. I'm just gonna leave it there. All right, let's go and check out hive number 2. All right, hive number 2. I'm sorry, hive number 3. So confusing because I didn't do hive number 1, so I'm thinking this hive number 2. Hi, hive number 3. It looks like it's less. I mean, I don't see bees out here. I only see one back down there. I'm gonna go and smoke it so it can go in there. All right. Oh God, they are. I don't know what's. Are they drawing it out? It looks weird. See all this part right here, and then maybe this was drawn out too much, that it touched the inner wall right here. I don't know. All right, I'll keep going. Oh God. They're all over the honey there. This is the frame of honey that I put in there. Oh yeah, yeah. It's the frame of honey. It's full of honey. Looks like the other one too. So now this one right here looks empty. Now this ones, they don't look like they're, oh dang, never mind. They have some honey right here. Got some honey, a bunch of pollen there on that area. I don't know if y'all can see it. There's a lot of pollen in that area, and they got some honey on the top. The other side looks empty, which is fine. They look just completely empty. I don't see any hive beetles at all. I'm gonna go ahead and put him back. All right. Here, come on this side. Come over here on this side. The sun, because the sun is over here on this side. That way. I don't know if it's gonna affect the camera or not. That's why I always try to put the camera on the other side, because most of the time the sun is already gone past the oh man, this one is full of brood. It looks awesome. It looks awesome. Check it out. Check this out. The brood is uniform and looking nice. I don't see the queen. Oh, there she is on this side. There's my queen right there. I don't know if y'all can see it. Where's the camera? I don't know. There's like 5 cameras there. It's one of the, but it's that one with the green spot right there. She's doing good. So there she is. Let's check out the last frame here. They're so calm. You know, I heard that this time of year, you know, they're all desperate for nectar. Maybe I'm too early or what? I mean, they're they're doing so good. This is the artificial comb right here, just like the other hive. So same thing on this side. The wall, the wall right there is covered with bees. Man, this one is doing better than the last one. So, right, that's good. It's really good. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and close it up because I don't want no robbers coming over here thinking that they have a free meal. They're gonna go and tell the other bees. They're gonna start dancing. All right, well, they're doing really great. I don't know if I should even put mint in there. I don't think I'm gonna put any more mints in there because I don't want them to. I don't know. I just feel weird putting a lot of mints in there for no reason. Maybe to keep them out, but I don't know, they're doing really good. I don't think they need it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close that entrance a little bit more on both hives because, like I said, it's the time of the year where I see some flowers over there, but I never seen them go around those yellow flowers. And then back there, I saw another type of flower, which I never seen before. But this is a yellow flower that I see all the time, but I never seen bees on them. Um, there are other flowers that smell like really really good. They look kind of like those. I put it on my last video, and they were all over those flowers. They were yellow too. They look similar to those, but the petals right here they look a little bit bigger. But I never seen any bees flying around these flowers. So hey, I'm gonna close it up, you know, a little bit just in case, so I can, you know, be sure that they don't get robbed. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Looks like we have a robber here trying to get in. Because the bees that belong to this hive, they uh, they know where I have to go in, so they don't go through the back, and they will never attempt to go through the back. So I know that's a robber right there. It's just one of them. They probably smelled the nectar when I opened it. Not nectar, but the honey, because that's real honey right there. It's not what I gave them was real honey. It's not water sugar solution. I'm gonna close it halfway. There you go. Halfway. Because they're smaller. It's a smaller colony. So a smaller entrance. Same thing on this one. Remove this so I can see. Halfway. There it is. Hopefully they'll be good until all the bees start to get in there. Man, this wind just started picking up. All right, so that's gonna be it for this video. Like I said, please, if you speak Spanish, go ahead and subscribe to my second channel. Even if you don't speak Spanish, if you want to support me on my second channel, I really appreciate it. Maybe my Spanish is not that good, because no, well, it's good, but it's not perfect because I've never used any terms in English on this bee stuff. You know, when I started learning about bees, I don't know, like 4 or 5 years ago, I uh I started getting familiar with names and stuff like that, like brood and frame and stuff like that. For the bees, propolis, beehives, hive beetles. Even if you cannot, I could see them, because my eyes, they're bad, but they're not that bad. And sometimes you see the hives on the back of the bees. Even after you rewatch these videos, I've seen videos on here on YouTube, and I've seen beehives on the back of the bees, and usually they go on the underneath the bee, but before they get there, they get on the back of the bee, and you can see them. I mean, I can see them even on video when I'm watching other people's videos. You can see them. Now I don't have anything to test them with, and I want to see. A lot of beekeepers, they disagree on treat them. They don't treat them and all that stuff. But around here, I don't know if any beekeeper on my area that have bees. I know one beekeeper that actually rented from when I used to live in my RV back in the days, like a couple years ago. I lived in the RV for 2 years, um, and the neighbor, I found out that he had bees, so I even started getting more interested on that. Even though I've been watching, when I found out that he had bees, I was like, "Oh, you have bees?" Like, yeah, I've been wanting to get some. And last time I talked to him, he said that he had that he sold two of his beehives. He's trying to get rid of them, and he only had one left. I said, "Well, if you want to get rid of them, let me know. I'll buy them from you." And he never got back to me, so um, maybe he's still gonna keep the beehive. I don't know, or maybe he's just gonna try to sell it to somebody else or what. But I mean, those are his bees, so I don't know. I already asked him to see if he'll sell them to me, but who knows. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. If you don't mind, like and subscribe down below, and also put pictures on Instagram. Sometimes I haven't been doing that because I've been so busy. But I sometimes put pictures before YouTube. If you follow me on Instagram, I would really appreciate it. And that's it. Thank you for watching.